What if I told you BC Hydro would pay you to stay comfortable at home? Here's the deal. BC Hydro's Peak Saver program gives you $100 just for enrolling a smart thermostat plus $50 every season for participating. And with Sinopé smart devices, you don't have to do anything. It's completely automated. I've been testing this out with Sinopé smart thermostats I recently installed in my home. They automatically adjust during brief peak events. Over 130,000 customers are already doing this, and most don't even notice. Here's the best part. You maintain full control. Adjust the temperature at any time at a Sinopé thermostat or with your smartphone. Plus, the Sinopé NeviWeb app gives me scheduling, geofencing, and energy tracking. My home stays comfortable, my bills go down, and I'm earning rewards. And with these awards, your first thermostat basically pays for itself. So yeah, I'm joining Peak Saver with Sinopé, and honestly, it's a no-brainer if you like saving money on your energy bills. Check it out at sinopetech.com.